Did you know that carrots were not always orange? In fact, they were mostly purple, yellow, or white. Let's explore how the Dutch helped turn the carrot orange and why. Carrots have been cultivated for thousands of years. Originally, they came from Persia, modern-day Iran, and Afghanistan. Back then, they were purple or white and used more for medicine than food. By the 10th century, carrots reached Europe. Over time, farmers grew different varieties, purple, yellow, red, and white, but still no orange carrots. In the 16th and 17th centuries, Dutch farmers began developing new carrot varieties. They crossbred yellow and red carrots until they got an orange one. Why orange? Many believe it was to honor the Dutch royal family, the House of Orange. The orange carrot became a symbol of Dutch pride. It wasn't just a vegetable, it stood for loyalty to the monarchy. So farmers started growing mostly orange carrots. The orange carrot became popular beyond the Netherlands. It was sweeter, tastier, and looked appealing. Eventually, it became the standard carrot around the world. You can still find purple and yellow carrots today. They're called heirloom carrots. Purple carrots have more antioxidants. Carrots were used as sweeteners in medieval cooking. During World War II, the British promoted carrots to improve night vision. That was actually a cover-up for radar technology. So next time you eat a carrot, remember, the orange color is thanks to Dutch innovation and a bit of royal inspiration.